Well, I'm on.
Hello everyone. We are in December, so this is a holiday month for many people, and some people asked me how to paint a bookmark or something similar. Yeah, so I'm going to make a quick demo here. So this is my bookmark. Yeah, it's 1.95 inches. 8.5 inches, yeah. So, but I enlarged it, so it's bigger, but it's the same proportion, yeah. So it's just bigger, so I can make a demo, and then you can see it better, yeah. Okay, this is a very simple bookmark, yeah. So, and I'm going to draw a holly, yeah. So that red berry or red thing that it's so Christmas, yeah. There is some sign of there is some sort of Christmas mood, yeah. And then I have leaves that are like this, yeah. I was sketching and then I stop it, and then I'm sketching, and then you can see. So I use a water-soluble graphite, yeah, graphitone made by Derwent, yeah. I don't need to paint everything. I don't need to cover everything here. It's just a little bit here, yeah. So some people asked me if I look at something when I'm drawing. It depends. This is an easy subject. It's not so complicated, so I can do something without looking at a reference, yeah. So, but sometimes I use a photo or the real flowers, yeah. So let me 1, 2, 3. I don't know, yeah. So just okay, yeah. Can you see my drawing? I don't need to draw everywhere, yeah? So you can make a frame here, like a line here, or you can just paint something, yeah? So this is a very simple bookmark. Yes? Okay. So my synthetic brushes, yeah? So I'm going to use a synthetic brush like this, yeah? Something like this, yeah. So water, let me start adding a little bit of greens here, yeah. So sap green, basically sap green mixed with a green gold, yeah. So it's important to add some pigment and not try not to make something flat here. So you see it's darker here, a little bit darker, yeah. We can add some background too, yeah. So let me add another leaf here, yeah. So okay, it can be cropped here. I don't need to show everything, yeah. So then let me start another one here. I can come back later and I can rework with my darks here, a darker green, or yeah. So anyway, it's another layer, yeah. So then we can soften here, yeah. So a little bit like this, and let's start our red berries, yeah. So I have some Winsor red here, yeah. So then I start adding some colors, and then I soften because I want some highlights here, so like this, yes. Then I can leave almost the white of the paper, yeah. So it's important to to work with a synthetic brush that is pointed, yeah, so a little bit like this. And we can show some of the red berries. They are they overlap another red berries, so I don't need to paint all of them, yeah, so I can suggest some of them. Let's see. I say let's see because as I don't have a reference, yeah, I'm going to do something very loose, yeah, so and wait, don't forget, this is a handmade thing, yeah, it's like if it's not so perfect or if it's not so realistic, yeah, it's okay, yeah. As I mentioned it in one of my demos, I think that imperfection is beautiful, yeah, sometimes, or most of the time, yeah, so everything is beautiful, just it depends on the way you see that thing, yeah, so okay, you see, so I'm using Winsor red and a little bit of orange here, yeah, so it's not the same value, yeah, you can see different values here, and I'm softening some edges, yeah, so you see. What I want to say is that it's just an impression of something, yeah. So I can come here and I can add more darks. This is a little bit of undersea green and a little bit of burnt sienna, yeah, so a little bit like this, yeah, so then we can keep on working here. Just let me, I have just a small, yeah, so this is paper towel, yeah, so then I soften here, yeah, then I come here, maybe I can suggest more flowers here, yeah, it's still wet here, so then I can suggest some here, yeah, so I try to suggest a sphere, yeah, so like this. Let me change a little bit my brush, yeah. I think with this brush I can make all these edges here, you see, so it's easier. It's just a flat brush, a synthetic one, yeah, so a little bit like this, yeah. So I want something more suggested, that's why I'm softening edges, yeah, so let me see if I can, yeah. A little bit here. Then I come back here. This paper is Arches, cold pressed, yeah. 140 pounds, yeah, so. Come here, good. So let me come back to my berries, yeah. I think I can rework with them a little bit here. Some of them, yeah, so we can also add another one here. darks here. I want to mix leaves and berries, yeah, I don't want them so. Then I can suggest another one here, yeah. One more here. Some of them I can add more details, yeah. So. Let me soften a bit more here, yeah, so. And as I have two colors here, you see there is a little bit of red and a little bit of green, so let's mix everything, yeah. These colors, they are very Christmas, yeah, so. Okay. Let me use another paper towel, yeah, so clean paper towel, and then I can lift off some pigment, yeah, so, and I can suggest a bigger berry, yeah, so. Here. Yeah. Then a few more darks here. So some of the berries, they are going to pop up, yeah, so even here, yeah, so. Let me add some darks here. And darks here, so if I add darks, this red thing is going to pop up, yeah, so let me see if I can add a few lines here just to add some movement, yeah, so a little bit like this, yeah. I think it turned it into a more complex thing with many greens and many reds, but this is my opinion about watercolor. It's an unpredictable medium. As we start adding pigment and on the paper, it's going to bleed, and then we are going to have some bleedings and mixings that are unpredictable, and we can create more shapes, yeah. I like, because it seems that all these berries, they are closer, yeah, and there is something more distant here, yeah, so just let me see, where is my rigor. I like to use a rigor like this, yeah, it's a rigor. Just any rigor is okay. It must be pointed, yeah, so And then I can just suggest more some of the berries a little bit, yeah, so here, yeah. And I can lift out some pigment, and I can create more berries here, but I think it's enough, yeah. So I like all this mixing of red and the green. It's very Christmas, yeah, I think, yeah. So and then I can finish, and then I think it's okay, yeah. Maybe between all these berries it could be darker here, yeah. So darker, just a few more darks, yeah. And then good, yeah. I think it's okay, yeah. So I can sign it here, yeah. Yeah, so, and then you can make something here, yeah. And you can cut here, and you can put something. So it's more or less, it's the same proportion, yeah. It's bigger because I wanted to show you it bigger, yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed it, yeah. Just let me show you the full thing like this. It's going to dry, it's going to fade a little bit, yeah. So, but this is one idea, yeah. So it's a suggestion, yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please press like, share my videos, yeah. The more you share, the more I'm going to post, yeah. So it's a pleasure to share my technique with you all, yeah. Thank you very much, yeah. Stay safe, stay well. See you soon. Bye bye.
Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me